Perl is a high-level, general-purpose programming language known for its text processing capabilities and versatility. Developed by Larry Wall in 1987, Perl combines features from other languages like C, SED, and awk, making it powerful for tasks involving string manipulation, system administration, web development, and more. It is often praised for its flexibility, with a motto of, "There's more than one way to do it," encouraging creative problem-solving. Perl's extensive library of modules, available through CPAN, further enhances its functionality. Resources to learn Perl. Perl.org, official site with documentation and tutorials. Learn Perl the Hard Way, an in-depth online book. YouTube, channels like Perl Tutorial and Books, Learning Perl, by Randall L. Schwartz. CPAN, explore modules and scripts to see practical applications. Perl Monks, community forums for discussions and support. Udemy, courses like Perl Programming for Beginners.